Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on Motorola Moto E6s. And to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Here let's try to find Call of Duty. But as you can see, there's no real results that we're looking for. And now go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings, enter family, parental controls. Here either disable parental controls by pressing on the switch or go for apps and games. You'll need to enter the PIN code, increase PG to 16, make sure to save the settings afterwards. You can go back, search for the game again, and it should be right here on the top, available to install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.